Hey everyone, Davide speaking. I'm one of the speakers of the Immersion workshop that we will be delivering along with my colleagues Muazma, Zahid, Bob Ward and Silvano Coriani in SQL Bits. And this Immersion workshop is specifically thought to be great for anyone who is new to Azure SQL or SQL Server. Maybe you learned a little bit on the internet, some of your colleagues taught you something, but you really want to learn everything you need to know in order to be able to use Azure SQL and SQL Server the best possible way. So this workshop is exactly for you. We will start from the basics like installing SQL Server or even creating a SQL database, an Azure SQL database, and then setting up the security correctly right from the start. Then we'll move to discuss how to create table, what kind of data type decision you should make when you create a table, and how to model a table, what are indexes, what kind of indexes Azure SQL and SQL Server offer to you, and which one is useful for what. And then we'll move to transaction, concurrency, storage procedure, views, function, when to use what, and then of course understanding the performance, so taking a look at the execution plan, understanding the statistics, IO statistics and time statistics, and then we'll discuss of course also about all the multi-model features that Azure SQL and SQL Server provides you, like for example JSON support, graph support, geospatial support, and even XML if you're still interested in that. And of course, at the end, we will also move to make sure that you also have a good understanding on how to connect application to Azure SQL, or how to create an application that can connect to Azure SQL, making sure that you understand, for example, how to not use password when connecting to Azure SQL, how to set up connection resiliency, and everything related to more specific development topics by the end of the day. As you can see, the day is pretty packed and full. This is the workshop that I wish I had when I started learning SQL Server on Azure SQL, because it really gives you a kickstart. So if you are new, if you know some colleagues of yours that are new and want to learn everything that you need to know to make sure that you use Azure SQL and SQL Server in the best possible way and be a great developer, just make sure they come to this workshop. It's in a great place with great people. It will be lots of learning and fun. See you at SQL Bits in just couple of weeks, I would say. Well, that's all for today. See you soon. Bye-bye.